friends, this is Nargis. Welcome to SSIS Social Corner. So in this picture you can observe the picture of what? It is a Himalayas, right? So we all love Himalayas and we love to travel to Himalayas. So how about the word plateaus? So what are plateaus and how they are being formed? And let us see few places where these Himalayas are found in India. They are mostly found in northeast side, that is near to the places of Nepal, Bhutan, and near to the upper border of India. So let us learn what is our Himalayas. So the Himalayas contain three parallel ranges. So these ranges are separated with deep valleys and extensive plateaus. So we are a great lover of Himalayas, right? So the northernmost ranges is known as Himadri. That is, we saw in this picture, the northernmost part, which has been highlighted with colored. So they are being called as Himadri. The southernmost range of Himalayas are Shivaliks, and the easternmost boundary of Himalayas is the Brahmaputra Valley. These divisions are known as Purvanchal, and regionally the Purvanchal are known as Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Kashi, and Mizo Hills. So they have various names with a different meaning and a story behind it. So these are few pictures of the Himalayas, which is mostly found very beautiful in our India. Next, we are going to see about the plateaus. How plateaus are formed and where they are being presented. Plateaus are sculptured by geologic forces that lift them up, and the wind and the rain that wear them down into mesas, buttes, and canyons. Plateaus are built over millions of years as pieces of Earth's crust smash into each other, melt, and grumble back towards the surface. The highest and the biggest plateau on Earth is the Tibetan Plateau in East Asia. So we can observe that it is a table-like structure which is above the land of plains, that is, which has been more flatter than the plateaus. And here we can observe where these plateaus are mostly present in which regions. In India, we have various plateaus, which has been called as Deccan Plateau, the Malwa Plateau, and Madhya Bharat Plateaus. So mostly India is southern covered with Deccan Plateaus, which covers the Maharashtra Plateau, Telangana, as well as Chhattisgarh Plain and Malnag. So we could observe that plateaus are mostly found all over India, and these plateaus gives a big backbone for the landform of our India. So I hope so, my dear friends, you could have understood what is a plateau and where all it has been found in our India. So in the next class, let us learn more about plains, valleys, and other landforms which are found in our earth. Thank you. Have a happy day.